Welcome, gentlemen. Okay, so yesterday we introduced the Makam of the week. Anyone remember what it's called? Nawa. Makam Nawa. So, like last week was very simple. Abraham has a Brit Milah. We use Saba for Brit Milah. We put the two together. Easy. This week's connection between the Makam and the Parashah is a little bit more difficult. Let's start with this. Every single Friday night we do Kabbalat Shabbat in Makam Nawa. Why? There's the Hashem Malach Keul Labesh paragraph that we read, and the last line says Levetecha Na'ava Kodesh, right? Na'ava, Nawa, the wording is very similar, so that's one reason why we attribute Nawa to Friday night. Additionally, supposedly Nawa is the Makam affiliated with the recitation of Mishnayot, and the entire Bamim and the Kid section, Mishnayot. So, two reasons given for why we would use Nawa for Friday night Kabbalat Shabbat. Also, there's this week's parasha, right? What's the connection between Nawa